Now is visible.
Yes, sir.
The subject is microprocessor and microcontroller, and it is the basic concept of microprocessor and microcontroller. Both are processor, but one is including as a controller. The first in your syllabus, the brief introduction of CPU architecture means 8085 micro, then the pin configuration of the microprocessor and addressing mode of the microprocessor and register memory addressing mode and instruction set of 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so first I started what is microprocessor. What is microprocessor? Microprocessor is a programmable logic based device which can computing and decision making capability like an CPU of a computer. So here we study about the 8085 microprocessor. 8085 microprocessor. So first, why it is called microprocessor? Because it is a very small processor, and another things and main things is that it process any data in microsecond. It process any data in microsecond. It 8085 is nothing but a 40 pin IC. 8085 is the 40 pin IC. This is the IC which is manufactured by Intel in 1976, which is manufactured by Intel in 1976. First is microprocessor or the processor is invented in 1972, which is 4-bit processor. But after the developing the system or the developing the technology, the now next is the microprocessor is invented in 8085 in 1976, which is manufactured by Intel and which is called is 8085, and this microprocessor is 8-bit microprocessor, firstly invented in 8 4-bit microprocessor, and after that is the 8-bit microprocessor. 8-bit microprocessor. Nowadays is the processor is 64-bit processor. 64-bit processor. The first is microprocessor, which it is very small and it is also a processor because it is only 40 pin IC. You count, this is the pin number 1 and this is the pin number 20, and total number of in this IC is 40. So microprocessor is a multi-purpose clock driven register device that reads binary instruction from the storage device is called memory and accept the binary instruction as an input and process the data according to the those instructions and result as a output. Another definition of microprocessor. Microprocessor is a multi-purpose clock-driven register-based electronics device that reads binary and accept the binary instruction as the input and process the data according to those instructions and provide the output. And what is the function and what is the application of microprocessor? Microprocessor has large numbers of application. We used in washing machine, we used in industrial, in traffic signal controlling, we used for level controlling, we used for addition, subtraction, multiplication type of operation performance. Use as a traffic purpose, we use as a traffic signal controlling purpose. It is a program. We retain a program using a delay, using a delay and some instruction. And if the and using counter and using counter. Suppose in a water level tank, there is a in every house the overflow is taken when the switch is 1, and no one can understand the tank is full and not. But using microprocessor or control the motors to on or off by appropriate program. So if the water level touch the send a signal through a sensor to processor, and processor the motors or machines, and at same the if the signal is the water level is low, then the another signal is sent from the sensor that water level is low and given to the processor, then processor automatically start the machine. So this is the diagram of CPU or micro primary component of a computer. And we can view the microprocessor as a primary component of the computer, and traditionally computer is represent a block diagram as shown in this figure. And what is this? This is the ALU, or it is arithmetic logic unit. This unit performs all the arithmetic and logical operation. Okay, and this is the control unit, and this is memory. This is memory, and this is the input block. So this is the traditional computer blocks: arithmetic unit, control unit, input and output. Is that the another definition is that the microprocessor is a programmable integrated device that has computing and decision making capability similar to that of a computer. Now the features of 8085, the features of Intel 8085. So first, it is a 8-bit processor. Means it process any data at 8-bit at a time. It process data at a time. So it is an 8-bit processor, and it is a single chip NMOS device with a 40 pin. Single chip NMOS device with a 40 pins, and it has multiplexed address and data bus. I discuss about the multiplex address data bus later on, that it has multiplex address and data bus, which is denoted as AD0 to AD7, and it works only the 5-volt DC power supply. It works only 5-volt DC power supply, and the clock frequency, the maximum clock frequency is 3 megahertz, and minimum is 50 kilohertz. Type microprocessor is that 3 megahertz, and which is range from 500 kilohertz to 3 megahertz, and it provides 74 instruction. In 8085 there have a 74 instruction with a 5 different addressing mode. I also discussed about the addressing on later one. Okay, so number of instruction in 8085 is 74, and it's manufactured or it is manufactured by NMOS technology, and it is manufactured by LSI, large scale integration technology, and it is operating frequency is 500 kilohertz to megahertz, and operating voltage is 5 volt DC, and it is 8-bit processor, and it has multiplex address and data bus. Okay, and another thing is that it has total number is 74 different addressing mode and category also according to their working type or working principle or working function. Okay, now it provides the total address line is paper 16. It has in 8085 there 16-bit address bus. In 8085 there will be three type of buses, or number one is data bus, number two is address bus, number three is control bus. I also discussed about these buses also, and function of bus also cleared all the things. Okay, now it provides total 16 address line. It provides total in address line, so it can be accessed up to 2 to the power 16, means 64 kilobyte of memory. 2 to the power 16 means 64 kilobytes of memory. 64 kilobytes of memory. It provides 16 address line, so it can access 2 to the power means 64 kilobyte of memory, and it generate 8-bit IO address lines. 8-bit IO address lines. IO means input output. IO means input output address line. So it can access is 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 256 input port, 264 260 256 256 256 input port, and it provide five in hardware interrupt, which their priority basis is the trap RST 5.5, 7.5, and
Excuse me, sir.
बोलो.
सर हम लोग को सर पहला ही स्लाइड्स दिख रहा है सर, बाकी स्लाइड्स नहीं दिख रहा है.
ओके, पहला स्लाइड मतलब जो मेरा नाम वाला स्लाइड ना, क्या है?
यस सर, जो फ्रंट में था सर वो दिख रहा था तब से.
अभी चेंजेस कुछ हुआ है?
यस सर.
अभी क्या शो कर रहा है? माइक्रोवॉइस इज प्रोग्रामेबल, यही वाला ना?
ये यस सर.
मेरा वॉइस क्लियर था ना?
यस सर, वॉइस क्लियर था सर.
ओके, सेम थिंग. जब बढ़ेगा नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, ठीक है, तुरंत बता देना, ठीक है?
Okay,
so I said that the microprocessor is a programmable integrated device that has another definition of the microprocessor, that has computing and decision making capability CPU of a computer. The some features of Intel 8085 means Intel 8085 microprocessor. क्या क्या features है? This 8085 is that it is 8-bit microprocessor, or it is 8-bit processor, and it is a single chip NMOS device which is a 40 pin, and it has multiplex address and data bus, which is denoted as a AD0 to AD7, And what is multiplex, that part I also discuss later one. And it works an operating voltage of the 8085, operating voltage 8085 volt DC, and the maximum clock frequency is 3 megahertz and the minimum is 500 kilohertz. In general, we are used in 2 megahertz clock frequency for 8085, and number of instruction in 8085 is 74 with a different five different addressing mode. Okay, and next slide is that slide is show to everyone.
Yes, sir.
It's provide the 16 address line. It's provide the 16 address line which it can be accessed the 2 to the power 16 means 64 kilobytes of memory, 64 kilobytes of memory, and it generate 8-bit IO address. It's generate 8-bit IO address. So it can also access 2 to the power 6 input port, and in 8085 5 interrupt pin, 5 interrupt pin, 5 interrupt pin with RST 5.5, RST 6.5, RST 7.5, and INTR. These are the interrupt pin of processor, and it provides accumulator or a register and flag register, and another these two that another 6 general purpose register and some and 2 special purpose register which is SP or PC. SP is the stack pointer and PC is the program counter. So it contains a accumulator, flag register, 6 general purpose register which is B, C, D, E, H, L. These are the 6 general purpose register, and 2 special purpose register is that SP and PC, which is SP means stack pointer and PC is the program counter. And it provides the serial lines for input output operation, which is denoted as SID, serial input data. Another is SOD, serial output data, serial output data. So serial peripheral can be interfaced with this. Serial peripherals can be, peripheral means another device, any kind of device is called peripheral device. Any kind of external device is called peripheral device. Means like a fan, motors, machine, the light. These are the another peripheral device which is, can be directly interfaced through SID and SOD, these two pin of the 8085. Next slide is that this is the pin diagram. This is the pin diagram of 8085. See the slide of pin diagram of 8085, everyone. Hello.
तो चेंज नहीं हुआ सर अभी भी विजुअल सर
Pin diagram.
Yes,
Pin
sir.
diagram slide is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस सर
So this is the pin diagram of 8085. So I initially says that it is an 40 pin IC. So total number is pin is 40. So pin number 1 to 20 and another is 21 to, another side is 21 to 40. So these are the pin of 8085. So each pin have the function, and first two pins is the X1 and X2. X1 and X2 pin. These two pins are the crystal oscillator pin, which generate the internal clock frequency for microprocessor or for 8085 microprocessor. This pin 2, see the pin number of X1 and X2, the number 1 and number 2. These two pin. Hello, Pranav. Show the pin number
Yes,
1 and
sir.
2. You see the pin number 1 and 2
Yes, sir.
clearly. X1 and X2. You see that the left side is X1 and X2 and right side is 2. These two pin are the actually it is used generating the clock frequency, and these are the crystal oscillator pin which generated the clock frequency for the which is 3 kilohertz. And number 3 pin is the reset out. Reset out. Pin reset out. This pin, microprocessor reset out to another peripheral device. Reset another peripheral. Reset the another peripheral. Number 4 and 5. So the pin number 4 is the SOD. SOD, serial output data. Through this pin means pin number 4, the processor send the data. Processor send the peripherals or device through this pin. Another pin is pin number 5. Through this pin, SID, SID, serial input data, serial input data, serial input data. This through this pin, processor take the data from outside. From this put, this is the serial input data or serially input data to the 8085. Now, see pin number 6 to 10. Pin number 6 to 10. These are called interrupt pin. These are called interrupt pin of 8085. These are called interrupt pin of 8085. Pin number 6 to 10. Pin number 6 is the trap, and pin number 7 RST 5.5. Pin number 8 is the RST 6.5, and pin number 9 is that RST 5.5. TR. So here is the trap is the highest priority. Trap is the highest priority interrupt and is the lowest priority interrupt. Means that about the function of trap is processed, then INTR, and according to the priority trap is the highest priority, then RST 7.5, then RST 6.5, then RST 5.5, and here you note that pin number 11. Pin number 11. 11 is that is INTA. What is INTA? INTA. Interrupt acknowledgement signal. Interrupt acknowledgement signal means if the processor received a interrupt signal, then processor send a acknowledgement other peripheral device or another, and this is the INTA signal. Just you see here the right side diagram. Here the serial, you know that the X1, X2 is the oscillator, and the see that the pin number 5 is the input and 4 is the output pin. See the arrow just. And next is the trap. These are all our input pin, but you see here the external signal acknowledgement. External signal means external के लिए signal है, and this at the INT is the output signal. See the arrow. Okay, so this is the pin number 11 is acknowledgement signal. Hello. The pin number 12, 12 to 19. Pin number 12 to 19. See here the AD0 to AD7. AD0 to AD7. These are the address data bus. These are the address data bus. These are the multiplex address data bus. Why we are multiplex this address data bus? Because in 8085, there are 16 address line and 8 data lines. 16 address line and 8 data lines. So we are the multiplex the lower order address line with the data lines. Number of lower order 8 lines, 8 bit of address line with the 8-bit data lines. So number of in general, if the number of line is required in general case is 16 for address line and 8 for data lines. So total number of lines is required is, or where is required is 24. But if we are multiplying the lower order address bus or lower 8-bit of the address lines with the data 8-bit or 8 lines of data bus, so the total number of each line is required is 16. In this line we can carry the address when the required address, and when we also carry the data or the information when the data or information is required. Actually क्या होता है in these lines means pin number 12 to 19 these pins के थ्रू हम लोग जब मेरा डेटा का जरूरत होता है तब डेटा भी कैरी कर सकते हैं, जब एड्रेस का जरूरत होता है तब एड्रेस कैरी कर सकते हैं. तो एक अभी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. So now the question is arise that sir how we can identify the when the multiplex address data bus carry the address or carry the data, how can we identify? So for this reason, there is a signal or there is a pin in 8085 is ALE, address latch enable. Pin number 30. Pin number 30 is ALE. The ALE pin function is that it latch the address latch enable. ALE full form is that address latch enable. When this pin or this signal is high means 1, low means 0. When this signal is high, it latch the address. So multiplex address data bus. So multiplex address data bus carry the address. But when this signal means ALE signal is low means 0, then the multiplex there will be no carrying the when this is low, the multiplex address data bus means pin number 12 80 to 87 carry the data. So your question is that so how we can identify the when the carry the address and when carry the data. So answer is that when the ALE signal is high, the multiplex address data bus carry or act as an address bus and carry the address. And when the ALE signal is goes low, means zero, then the multiplex data bus carry the data or carry the information. It acts as a data bus. So your query is clear. Now pin number is that now pin number 20 is the ground pin and pin number 2 have routed to pin.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
my slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now, from number, how many pin number is completed to user? Voice is clear. Is pin number 10 or starting?
So pin number 16,
Is on to
addressing line.
16. Okay. Address data multiplexer. Okay. Usually, what happens? So pin actually data multiplex address data bus. Data bus. The function of multiplex address data for for carrying the address and data, but it is not possible at a time. It is possible is a when we needed the
So screen visible नहीं है sir.
the address is pins, and when needed the carry the data or information, we use this pin as lines with data lines and add a address line. So what happened? Actually, lower order of address lines or lower order of address bus, lower bit address multiplexed with using as a data bus. So how we can identify that it is address bus or not or so for is ALE address latch enable address in it identified, or it say that when this address, when this match the address, show multiplexed address data bus act when this pin means ALE pin is low, address show multiplex act as an data bus, act as an data, and we can use for address line data or information identified, or it can be distinguished by the signal. जब ALE सिग्नल मेरा हाई होगा तब इट इज एन एक्ट एज एन, जब ये मेरा लो होगा तब ये डेटा बस पे काम करेगा। पिन नंबर 21 टू address lines, these are the another
Sir,
address, yeah, बोलो।
सर स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है सर, जो पिन डायग्राम।
इनविजिबल क्लास ले लेंगे, आज तो टाइम ही हो गया। नेक्स्ट किसका
अभी क्लास है सर, क्लास